having insurance isn't the same as
Okay. Okay. This banking system is kind of a little bit different than what we have on the YouTube channel. With this one, you can actually send money to people with their account number. So, for example, let me show you. So, if let me make this like that. Okay. So I have a key to update my account. So you see this one, his account number says 9, and I cannot use the phone if I don't have a bank account or the ATM. And then we have different type of animation for the error. See, they have I have one that shake up and down, side, and left. A lot of animations. Okay, so this one, his account says 9. That's the client. And then for the server, let me give him account like 4. Okay. So if the server go and get a bank account like that, and same thing you have in the one that's on YouTube. For example, deposit, let's say deposit like $5,000. We get what is it? Okay. Yeah, so we can deposit money, we can withdraw some cash. Let's say I do $20, and as you can see, I gotta work on the time thing, but yeah. So now, if the client says, you know what, let me go get a bank account, open a bank account, the client can do the same. 50,000, see, and he can withdraw 10, and like that. So now, I'm the client, all right? Let me show you. The client, if I want to send some money to the server, I can just open the bank, and I don't have to be near him. I can just be anywhere in the world. I can be all the way over this way. And if I say send money, and then his account number is 4. So I can just put his account number and how much money I want to send him. Let's say 6,000. And then send cash and watch his account number. Account balance. See, now I update to 11. And vice versa. If I want to send this guy some money, I can just get his account number, which is 9. And in this system, you can use the same functionality to create like a messaging system between 2 players. So this could act as the phone number, and then you send messages between each other. So let's say I want to send him 5,000, right? And watch his number. If I say, oh, I'm glad I see that. I need to, because his account was 40,000. Why is it? Okay, well, I'm glad I catch that early, so I can keep sending him money. But I also need to remove the money when I send him cash to the player. So let me go see what he's talking about. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me put some music. Okay, I'm back. So now let me readdress this thing, because I don't know what's going on. So if I go ahead and open an account, and also I'm going to work on the extraction shooter template as well. I wanted to turn it into a series, but I probably won't have the time to record, edit, and all of that. So I'll just create a template, and then you guys can just get it from Patreon if you want to. Okay, so let me see. With him, let me update his account to 4 and him to 2. So if I want to send some money to the client, go in the bank, is 4. So right now he has $50. I sent him 5,000. Yeah, right now he has 5,050. Oh, I know why that happened earlier. It's because here I'm loading it from the save file, because this it also gonna have a save menu and stuff like that, and front end menu too. We have something like this. It's gonna come with this and all the search and create your profile and all that stuff. So now I can change my name to Dennis, and you see it updated like that. Let's see. Yeah, for sure, no problem. It's uploading right now. Okay, let me go back to where I was. Okay. Yeah, I need to redo a lot of stuff. That's the loading screen. I don't need that. Lobby menu. Don't need that. That's the menu. Account number. Let's do this. I want to give him a random account number when the game first starts. Let me see. Open. Save game. Let's delete this. And let's do 1 for now. Wait a minute. I need to go to the front end. Menu. So when I create a profile, now the question is, you know what? Menu widget. What is it? Let me change this to vertical. Okay, and let's add count number for now. Okay, so you going to be, let me wrap this. Wait, house in a box. Account number. game instance. And check for save profile. Add profile info. Break it and get the account number. Should have a random number. There you go. We have a random number now. So if I delete my profile and play the game, now it says 0 because I don't have a save file. I'm gonna hide this as well, but for now let's just do this. Unreal. This. And now you see I have a different account number. So with that account number, now let's try something. Because the last time I was having some issues. There's 2. Okay, here the account is not show. Let me go to main HUD. And hold on. Let me go up these. Account number. Yeah, let's just put this. If it's valid, if we have a save game, we get the account number. If we don't, we just do that. So now, why is it not loading the account number? I do have a save. Oh. You know what? In here, right, I should already have it. Or because it's loading it too quick. Yeah, it's right there. So why are you doing this to me again? Or do I constantly have to check it? I see. Let's do game instance. Let's replicate this. I need to upload this for Kiko. Let's see. Where is it? Okay. That should be it. File. No, it's not working. Okay, nice. Do I already have this? No, I don't. Okay, well, 2 minutes left. So you should be ready in 2 minutes. Okay. So now let's play money. Let's go here and do this. And check for city profile. Let's see. And it's still not loading the profile. Why is that? Because I do have a save file. to find out what's going on here. Right, so it's getting the thing. Let me just remove the branch. Because the class is empty anyway, so that's the reason why. Class is empty, because it doesn't have anything in it. So I'm not saving characters or anything. So it should have it now. Yeah, it's 71. That was my fault. That was my fault. Oh, no, now watch. Plug this right here. Because I already do the check on the begin play here, so I don't need that. Yeah, it's 71. So, oops. So let me just update this to, yeah, okay. Let's see, because if he updated it, that means it's working, alright? Then you go get an account. I should already have one, technically. I know it's gonna send the money to myself too, but I just wanna check something. Because the last time I did that, oh, it's still not gonna work because here is not getting the character and the money from there. It's still not gonna work. Yeah, I know. I knew it. I need to go here. BBC Bank, where I'm doing the deposit cash. I need to update this. Sorry, y'all. It's hot. Okay, I need to mute this and put some music on. My bad. Sorry, I'm just handling something on my Patreon real quick because I had made a mistake and I'm trying to figure it out and I'm fixing it right now. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's see. This part should never happen. Let me do this. What is it? The cell phone. This should never happen. The reason why it's because when the game begins, you're gonna create a profile, and it's gonna give you a bank account. Because if you see, this is getting the bank account from here, right? This is a number that I have here to test some stuff. Deposit cash. Okay, let's just plug this up. Yeah. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, so this should never happen. If I go back, this should never happen because this is if a save file doesn't exist. But let me show you. Let me promote this to available. Whoa, go back. Copy this. Promote. Try to keep everything the same name. Because when the game begins, right? Let me show you. Save. We're gonna have this profile. Let me remove the save file real quick. Save game. Boom. And let me make this one player for now. Alright, so right now when the game begins, if you want, you can do the same thing as this. Like when the game first begins, you can automatically show this, so that as soon as the player join the game, the first thing they ask is to create a profile name. So let's say Unreal Des. Now you see it generates account number, a random account number. So now if I hit new game, loading screen shows up, and then come on, boom. Now we're in the game. If you look at the top left, you will see 484 as my account number, right? And then if I hit play it again, 484 as that account number. Okay. So the place where you can change the account number is if you go to the game instance. I will make a video once I post this on the FAB. I'll make a video detailing everything. So on the game instance, this is where I'm doing the account number. It's a number between 100 and 900. If you want, you can just increment that like this. So player will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This way, player can sometimes have the same account number, because let's say it choose 150 for one player. So I think the increment, it's better, because if you do plus 1 each time somebody create an account, they will never have the same account number, because it's gonna keep going up. But the problem with that is, let's say your game is very popular, and then let's say you get 500,000 people. Some people might have 500,000 bank account as a number. So let's say go young, right? So now you see my account number is 1. So the next person who joins is gonna say 2. You see? And then if I change it to 4, it's gonna go like that. You see what I mean? So every time somebody create a profile, they're gonna get a different bank account number. Or one way you can do it is you can promote this number to a variable, and then you add it to an array of accounts or account numbers. And then before you create the account number, you check to see if if the array contains this number. And if it does, you scratch it and you get another one. That way you know nobody have the same account number. So you can do it that way. But for now, I'm going to keep it like this. Let me create another call. Oh, I can just call this. Let's see. Save game. Yeah, I can just call this. Let me see. When I send money, give me a second, go save game. And then you can add measures so a player can't send money to themselves. Right, so I have account number 3. So if I go and get an account number, and can I still deposit money? Wait, what is that? See if I exist. Okay. So now, game instant. No, it's in the back. So save file exists. We're gonna send the cash. But let's see. Playful. Yeah, we're gonna send the cash that's coming through, and then get a game instance. See if it's valid. It should be valid. Call save game. And like I said, this should never happen because you're gonna have a save file, but I just added just in case if somebody bypass the creating the profile thing. So game. So now I have $50 in my bank account. Shouldn't have 50, but because I just added the 50. I'm gonna use that. 5,000. See, now I send the money, right? And it said 5,050. Let's see if I play again. Will I start with 5,050? If I do that, I mean it's saving it. And if I don't, I need to redo it. I need to redo it. So I need to create a save money thing or something. Let's see. So I call this save deposits. Get player profile, and let's pass integer here. Amount. Okay, that's how I'm doing it. So break this. No, set members like that, and pass everything. Class name, money. Wait, money goes here, and an account number, and then set that, and then call save game. And now let's see. And the reason why I'm trying to save them in small portion is so that we can have better control of. Oh, and the ATM is working too. So if I don't have a bank account, press E. It says you don't have a bank account. But if I go and open a bank account, I can use any other ATM instead of the bank. So now it should say I have 5,050. Oh, I didn't even call it. Damn it. What about deposit? Save deposits. What is this? And yeah, grab this. This is the amount that we are passing through. And then, you know what? Since I already have that, I can just come straight here. Now I go and open an account. Go to the ATM. Let's do 1,000 this time. Close. Oh, I think why I know why it's doing that, because I'm not loading this from my save game. Yeah, that's why. Okay, let's get this dude. Money, and plug it right here. Now if I hit play, 0. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Deposit money. Set members. Save game. Main HUD. I need to delete this. I know I don't have to keep doing this. Oh, I know why. I know what's going on. Because when I deposit, I was doing it wrong. Client deposit, send cash. It's sending the money to. Yeah, you see? It's updating the bank balance. I don't need to do that. I need to update the player money, not the bank balance. Oh wait, I do need to do that. What am I thinking? Bank balance. But what I need to do in the player info, I need to add the bank balance. So let me save everything and go to character data, player info, and set bank balance. Save. Let's open it up. I'm sorry, guys. It's hot, so I need to keep my stuff running. Okay, so now we have on the player info, we have bank balance. Interesting. Where's the bank balance? Okay. Deposit. So when we deposit, we need to deposit it to the bank. Hold on. Let me upload this. I'm gonna get confused. When we deposit money, I need to deposit it to the bank. Account number, like that. Say deposit and then bank balance. That's where we need to deposit to bank balance. Alright? And also, when I'm sending cash, I need to get the bank balance and we need to update and set the member of the bank balance to the dot. And then break this, get the bank balance. And then it goes like this. Alright. Okay, let me think. So when we send in cash, we sending it to the bank balance. That's why we want to send cash. But that might be a problem. Let me do this. And has bank account. Let's do true for now. So that I don't have to keep going back and forth. You can just come to the ATM, deposit. Okay, so excuse me. So in the player HUD, this should get not the player money but the bank balance. Right? The bank balance. We should get the bank balance instead of player money. So bank balance is 0. So if I deposit 5,000. It's not getting the bank balance. I think I need to go. Where are we doing the deposit? Send cash. Check bank account. Show. Withdraw. Notification. Okay. Wait. What? Okay, bank account. Okay, deposit fund. Okay. So in here, we're getting the bank balance. Yeah, we're getting the bank balance plus the amount that's coming, and then we set the bank balance. Let me print screen and see. what's coming through here. Okay, it's coming through. So why is it not count deposit text? Balance. And then you add plus amount. Yeah, it created it, but it seems like here it's not giving me the right amount. Okay, send 0. Right, so I got balance at 5,000. Let's put another 5. 10,000, okay. So this is working, but why is, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is, okay. The debug. Let's go to pick widget country. What is this? Okay, this is, I think I'll update it here. Balance, deposit, balance, okay. It's coming from player info, yeah. So it should give it to me, but it seems like this is not working. Let me do this. Check for save profile. Yeah, it's saving the money, right? But it's just not updated here. Because if I come back and open my phone, it should say 5,000 because I deposited 5,000. I need to load that there. Because if I come this way, it is not saying this right. Now it's looking here. That should say 12,000, but I think where I'm doing this, where is it? Main HUD. No, bank entry. I need to do that. Create a binding for this. So, reference. This is get instance. For save profile and then get player. Get bank balance. Now let's see. Wait. Hold on, let me. It's baseline plus whatever's coming in. And then we say, okay, let's give me instance ref. Save deposits. Get amount. Aha, okay, now it's showing up. Now I got 10,000. So now it's saving the deposits. Alright. Jesus, it's so hot. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put some music and you're just gonna have to watch. It is hot. Sorry, y'all. I needed some air, man. Because I was gonna pass out if I knew that. Okay, so now it should do it the right way. So I got 4,000. If I put 6,000, I should get 10. Wait, what? Now I got 12,000. Hold on. 12. Let's put 8,000. Let's see. What the? Hold on. $16. Okay. Now I should have 17. What the hell? Okay, something right with the way I'm doing the little widget. Okay. I need to go and check something. Yeah, let's check this. Yeah, because something ain't right. Because I don't know why it's saying that I only have 2,000 deposits. 6,000, right? So when I come back, it should say I have 6,000. But what the hell is 12,000? What the hell is getting 12,000 from? Oh, I think I know why. It's because I need to get bank balance from here. Gee, you need to stop acting so slow, bro. Stop acting so slow, man. You see, 12,000, 12. If I go another 8, and I come back, it should say I have 20 now. What the? Okay, if I'm doing this, then this should give me the correct bank account, right? Because this is again the bank balance plus whatever I add, right? So let's check. Because I know I'm not tweaking. So right now it says I have 8,000. If I deposit 2 grand, it should say it's 10. But why is it saying 2? If I'm taking the bank balance plus let's see. Because bank balance to 0. Why are you 0? That's why. It's because I'm getting from here. You so slow. Why am I so slow today? So I need to get it from the game instance. Like that. Get player profile. That's what I need. That's what I need. So it's the money, and then hold on. So money, big balance. Delete this. Yeah, I got the saving thing to work. So now, as you can see, it's loading the proper information. And for those of you who just showed up, let me show you what I have. You know what? Let's see something real quick. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna come down. When you first get the project, I'm going to add server stuff like create new session and all that. I'm gonna add all that. So for now, you come here and then you just enter your name, and then it will give you a random account number. This is for your bank account number, all right? So you hit, excuse me. So now that I have the bank account number, because I don't have the session thing done yet, let me do this. So I have, excuse me, give me a second. Okay, so I have 2 players. Even though they have the same account number, but I believe I can just, yeah, they have the same account number. So right now, if I try to access the bank, oh yeah, because, give me a second. Let's go to game instance. No, here, Boolean has bank account. Let's make this false. So now I don't have a bank account. I cannot access the bank on the phone. No, I cannot access the bank, the ATM either, right? So I have to go in the bank, create a bank account, then I have a bank account. Now I can either use any of the ATM to deposit or withdraw money. So for this guy, let's go get him a bank account. This is the client. He has his bank account. And the project the one that I did for the GTA, you have to be close to the player like this to send them money. But in this one, all you need is the player account number. But right now, it's also gonna send money to me. You know what? Let me do it how I had it before, because I'm not liking the fact that we getting the same account number. So let's do this. Plus, well, this will still give me the same account number though. +1. So if I go, nice shit though. Hold on. Let's create the profile real quick. Excuse me. Why am I doing player money? It's so slow. Wait. Control Z. Come on. Let's put everything. That's not where I need to do this. What? Hold on. No, it's this. Well, let me just do increment. Increment by 1. Account number. And then pass this. Let me delete this. Hit play. Now I got account number 1. So if I go to map and hit play, but it's still going to update both of them because I'm reading the same file. Yeah, I'm reading the same file. But because your player is gonna have different account number because it's gonna be different save file, this should work. So if I do this, like I said, because I'm reading from the same save file, that's the reason why when if I send money to this player using the account, it's gonna give me this. It's also gonna send money to me. If I do 5,000, interesting. Why is it not working now? Why is it not working now? Cell phone. Send money. Save deposit. Money, good money. That is weird. And do saving money. I'm about to send. I'm doing it. I need to change this. Okay. So this is what I need to change. Because I'm no longer using this. So I need to get gain instance. Check to see if it's valid. Get pay in full. Break that. So we're doing bank balance plus the amount that's coming in. Like this right here. We can hide unconnected pin and then set members, and then we set in the bank balance. Do that. Plug like this. Plug that. And then we need the return value. The bank balance. We need to plug it here. Okay. Alright, one more time. Now this guy has his bank account. This guy, same thing. So if I do account 2, send 5,000. It gets 10,000, but it remove all my money. Why? Give me instance. Bank has a bank account. Don't do that. Even though I have a bank account, it removes all my money. Account 1, that's it, 10 grand. Wait, why is it doing 30. Huh. That is interesting. Oh, player money right here. So bank balance to we can get it from here. Player money. Alright. Let's check. One 6,000. Yeah. So of course it's not gonna update for the client, it's only gonna update for me. But okay, I have 6,000, so back to square one. So when we're sending the cash, we need to do amount to send. It's a bank balance plus there's a bank balance plus the amount we're sending. And string, what is this returning? Oh, I'm not saving it. No crap. No crap, my boy. Save deposits will be bank balance. And also we need to subtract the money too from the player money. And also save the player money. Okay, so we gotta do all that. Yep, let's move this over. Save deposit. So we can get player money, subtract the amount to send like that. And then set the money. And then, yeah, we save it. Save it, man. Save deposit bar. Let's try this and see. That's deposits. 10,000 or 1,000. Should get 199. It's only updated on the client because the client is the one who just deposit. But when I hit that, I should have 199. See, 199. We have 66. All right. But if you're trying to send money, let's say send 1,000. Oh, count one, send 1,000. Yep. Whoa. Some mixed up here. Some mixed up. I need to go to cell phone. Give instance. No, think. Player money. Let's make my player money of the client and then save deposit. We saving player money. But why is big balance the same as player money? Big balance is big balance plus the amount that's coming. And then get player money, we subtract the amount that's coming. And then set player money. And then update. Save deposit. The thing is here. Because my bank account it's good. I think it's the sending money that's the problem. That's what I need to fix. Because if I add 10,000 here, it should say I have 11,000, right? 11,099 is removed. So the issue is in sending money part. So if the player is valid, we get this. Let me redo this because let me redo this. So I don't get confused. So when we're sending money, so what we first we subtract the money that we're trying to send from our player. And then we can do set members. That's updating the player money. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to get the bank account. We need to add the amount that we are sending to it. And then we do another set members. And this time we want to update the bank balance to that. Get the return with the return value from this. Update set our client. Update the book screen. So player money go player money, bank account, bank balance go bank balance. Oh yeah. Like that. And then we get game instance. And we can do save deposits. But we also need to pass another one. Say player money. And this goes to player money. Alright. So we got player money and account number. Okay. So in here we are updating player money. Why is this account number? This is bank balance. Yeah. So bank balance, player money, and then player money.